How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. Back with another market update video. Going to be covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and WIF today, and showing you what setups I'm watching for and how I'm looking to play these charts moving forward from here. So starting off with Bitcoin here, we have been watching this 1 hour trend for the past little while here. I've been mentioning it a couple times previously on Twitter. If you take a look here, it's been holding as resistance so far on the way down. We can see this time we were watching this test as well. We were saying if it could reclaim this range low. If we zoom out here, you can see this range low. We were saying if it can reclaim this hourly trend and range low, then we could look for upside into mid-range and range highs. But it held its resistance and continued downside into the high time frame range low. If we zoom out here, let me just switch to the 4 hour time frame. You can see we are now testing range lows. So range low did get tested and held as support, giving us a bounce here. But we have not reclaimed that 1 hour trend yet. So what I need to see for continued upside is I need to see a move into this 1 hour trend, a reclaim, maybe we get a retest, and then continuation higher. But once we get that reclaim of the 1 hour trend, that'll give me the confidence that these range lows, this test here was successful and held as support, and then we can continue higher from there, looking for a move into that 66K level, and then above there, we'd look at like 71, 72K level. But as long as it remains below this 1 hour trend, what could happen is we could get a bearish retest, hold as resistance once again, or we could end up falling lower, back into range lows here. So what I'm watching for is if we are not able to reclaim this 1 hour trend and we fall back lower here, what I would look for is a sweep of this Monday low. So this is Monday's low. A sweep of this low. So we take out this low. And we also get this sweep right into the daily trend. If I zoom out here, you can see this daily trend. If I zoom out even more here, you can see how it's acted as support on the way up, resistance once it was below, reclaim, retest, and then run higher. We did just front run it this last time, which makes me think maybe we fall back lower here and get a test of this daily trend. So if we did end up sweeping Monday low into this daily trend, I think that would be a very solid area to take to put some bids. So what I'd look for is the sweep right into the daily trend, and then look for continuation higher into that 1 hour trend from there. But I have to see how this plays out. But for now, still have to be careful because we could threaten some further downside here as long as it remains below this 1 hour trend. But if it can reclaim this 1 hour trend, then I would look for continuation higher into that $66,000 level. So moving into Ethereum here. This price action is a tad bit more choppy here. If we zoom out, you can see I was watching this 4 hour trend here. So how does resistance on the way down? How does support? And reclaim, retest, and continuation higher, which I want you to take note of this. This price action for a reclaim of this 4 hour trend retest happened right before the Ethereum ETF announcement. So reclaim, retest, bam, we got that news. That'll be a little bit more significant moving forward. I'll point that out. Same kind of deal with Solana is what happened. But take a look here, this 4 hour trend. It is holding as resistance here. So we could get a push into this 4 hour trend and reject from there, but it has been chopped up a little bit. So I want to look for another trend that we could use here. So maybe this 1 hour trend, let's see, maybe 2 hour trend. I'm going to say 2 hour trend here. So yeah, instead of the 4 hour trend, I'm going to be watching this 2 hour trend. You can see holding as resistance on the way down. So if we can reclaim this 2 hour trend, get a reclaim, retest maybe, and then I would look for a move higher into that 3650 level. As long as it remains below this, we did reclaim a kind of bit of support here, but as long as it remains below this, we could threaten another move down from here. Now, as far as downside levels, this daily trend, if it fell lower here, I would look for a move into this $3,100 level and this daily trend. But if we can get this reclaim of the 2 hour trend, then we're looking really nice for continuation higher from here. So you got reclaim, retest. You could bid that retest and then look for that next leg higher into 3650. And then above there, I would look for 4K and 4200 from there. So just need to see this 2-hour trend reclaimed before I can expect further upside. Okay, moving into Solana. So if we zoom out here, actually we zoom into the 1 hour, you can see this 1 hour trend was holding as resistance on the way down. And I believe I had posted about this on Twitter as well. We got this reclaim and we got this retest as well as a bit of support here. So it was holding perfectly here. And then we got that announcement and bam, we got that move higher. Same kind of deal as Ethereum where we got that reclaim of the 4 hour trend, retest, and then full send higher from there. Now, if we zoom out, what I had been watching and posting about was this daily trend on Solana. So this daily trend combined with this 125 support was very nice, looked like a good area to hold and continue higher from there, which is exactly what happened. Held this high time frame trend as support, and then we got this 1 hour trend reclaimed and continuation higher from there. So what I'm going to be watching for Solana moving forward is basically as long as it remains above this 1 hour trend, I would look for a move higher, continued move higher. So our next level would be 156, and then I would look for the $170 level. And above there, straight move into $200, and above $200 is price discovery. So that's what I'll be watching for. Now there might be a low time frame trend we could trade. So yeah, this 15-minute trend looks pretty decent actually. Maybe 30-minute looks a bit better. Yeah, I'm gonna say 30-minute. So this 30-minute trend looks pretty good here, honestly. If we could get this 30-minute trend or even this 1 hour trend confluent with this bit of support here, so maybe 1 hour trend, something like this, and then we get this test of support and 1 hour trend confluent, that's where I would look to bid and then look for that move higher from there. Higher low to form along this 1 hour trend and then look for continuation higher. But basically, as long as it remains above this 1 hour trend, continue looking for higher prices. Okay, moving into WIF. So if we zoom out here for WIF, you can see we have this large range. So what I was looking for is actually, I made a post about this on Twitter as well. I was looking for a deviation below this range, and then I think I had mine drawn something like this. Deviation, consolidation, and then I was looking to bid that reclaim of the range. So we did get this deviation here below the range, and I was hoping we got some more consolidation here, which could still happen. But if we zoom in here, you can see this 1 hour trend, which was holding as resistance on the way down, was reclaimed out as support, and then we got that move higher today. So as long as this 1 hour trend holds, I would look for a continued move higher into our next level, which honestly, my next level that I really have is just mid-range, here at like $3 area. So it is a pretty decent setup here if you can bid these range lows and this 1 hour trend, and then look to play into that mid-range and even range highs if the trend is still holding from there. It's basically trend reclaimed and range lows reclaimed. Look for the range to continue ranging, so move into mid-range and then range highs as long as this trend holds. So that's what I'm looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and WIF. If you like these and enjoy these and want me to do these more often, please drop a like and comment down below if you'd like them more often. See what your feedback is, and maybe I'll start doing these maybe twice a week or so. We'll have to see. But thank you guys for watching, and enjoy the rest of your week. See ya.